ha 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 ha.
What is up, Pyro Nation? We're here with Magnus Fireworks. This is called Spacewalking. 200-gram cake. A little guy here, but it has a nice 16-shot, 3/4-inch tubes. Looking forward to see this. Take a look at the description here. Let it zoom in. What we get in this cake is palm tree. Red, green, blue, purple, noisy, 3 out of 5. There it is. Performance, 16-shot, awesome palm tree, along with colorful star tips, 4-shot finale. Again, take a look inside. There it is. This is Spacewalking from Magnus Fireworks. All right, guys, let's go take a peek at it. Spacewalking.